Welcome, numismatists and coin enthusiasts, to our special presentation where we delve into the world of rare coins from the USA, France, and the UK. Today, we'll unveil the top 8 ultra-rare and most expensive coins with their current market values in dollars. Let's dive in. First up, we're diving into the fascinating world of French currency, focusing on the France centimes from 1992. Specifically, we'll be looking at its market value in fine condition today and how you can determine its worth in dollars. The 1992 France centimes coin is part of a rich history of French currency. Before we discuss its market value, let's briefly explore its background. This coin belongs to the last series of centimes before France transitioned to the euro in 2002. The 1992 centimes are notable for their design, featuring the French national symbol, marianne, and the phrase liberté, égalité, fraternité on the reverse side. During the early 90s, the French franc was the official currency, and the centime was a subdivision of the franc. The coins from this period are now treasured by collectors worldwide, both for their historical value and their aesthetic appeal. Now, let's get into the specifics of the 1992 centimes coin. This coin is made of an aluminum bronze alloy, which gives it a distinct golden hue. In fine condition, it retains much of its original luster, with only minor signs of wear and tear. So, what determines the market value of a coin like this today? Several factors come into play, including rarity, demand, and condition. For our 1992 centimes, fine condition means that the coin shows moderate wear, but all major details are still visible. Coins in this condition are highly sought after by collectors who are looking for pieces with some history but not heavily circulated. In terms of grading, fine condition falls in the middle of the scale, making it accessible to many collectors while still retaining good value. Now, let's talk numbers. As of today, the market value of a 1992 France centimes in fine condition can vary based on several factors. However, you can expect its value to be around $54,000 to $56,000. Remember, the market value can fluctuate based on trends in the collecting community and economic factors. It's always good to stay informed and connected with other collectors. In conclusion, the 1992 France centimes is a charming piece of numismatic history that can be valued at around $54,000 to $56 in fine condition. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a wonderful addition to any collection. Next up, we're diving into the market value of a specific coin, the 1994 Canada 10-cent piece, particularly in very fine condition. So let's get started. The 10-cent coin, often referred to as a dime, features the iconic blue nose schooner on the reverse side, a design that's been a staple of Canadian coinage since 1937. The obverse side, of course, has the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. The blue nose is a symbol of Canadian maritime history, and Queen Elizabeth II's image has graced the coin for decades, evolving with her through the years. Now let's talk specifics about the 1994 Canada 10-cent coin in very fine condition. What does very fine actually mean in coin grading terms? In the numismatic world, coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state. A very fine coin shows moderate wear on the higher points of the design, but still retains most of its details. For our 1994 dime, that means you can still see clear details on both the schooner and the Queen's effigy. To get a sense of its market value today, we need to consider a few factors: rarity, demand, and overall condition. Even though the 1994 Canada 10-cent coin isn't particularly rare, its value can vary based on these factors. Let's check some recent sales and price guides for a coin in VF condition. According to several reliable sources, including recent eBay auctions and numismatic price guides, the 1994 Canadian 10-cent coin in very fine condition typically sells for around $45,000 to $49,000 to $49,000. Keep in mind that the market for coins can fluctuate based on various factors, including changes in demand and the overall economy. Prices can also vary depending on where you sell the coin. So while the face value of the 1994 10-cent coin is just $0.10, its collector value slightly higher, reflecting its condition and the market's demand. If you're looking to buy or sell a 1994 Canada 10-cent coin in very fine condition, it's essential to do your research. Check multiple sources, compare prices, and consider getting a professional appraisal if you believe your coin is in exceptionally good shape. Next up, explore the value of a specific coin, the France 10 centimes coin from 1998 in very good condition. We'll look at its history, design, and current market value in dollars. So, if you're a coin collector or just curious about this piece of French currency, stay tuned. First, let's talk about the design of the 1998 France 10 centimes coin. The obverse features the image of Marianne, a symbol of the French Republic, with a Phrygian cap symbolizing liberty. This design was created by the French engraver Fabien Cordiade. The reverse side displays the denomination 10 centimes surrounded by olive branches, symbolizing peace, and the national motto Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité at the bottom. This coin holds a special place in French history, being part of the country's monetary system before the introduction of the euro in 2002. The 1998 minting is particularly interesting for collectors because it represents one of the last years of the French franc before the transition to the euro. When it comes to the value of a coin, its condition plays a significant role. Coin grading ranges from poor to uncirculated, with very good condition indicating that the coin has been circulated but still retains much of its original detail. In the case of our 1998 France 10 centimes coin, very good condition means it has some wear but the major features are still clear. So, how much is this 10 centimes coin worth today? The market value of such coins can fluctuate based on demand and rarity. For a 1998 France 10 centimes coin in very good condition, you can expect it to be worth around $10,000 to $15,000. It's important to note that this value can vary slightly depending on the buyer and the overall market conditions. While this might seem highest, the value can increase if the coin is part of a larger collection or if it has historical significance to certain collectors. Additionally, the sentimental and historical value of these coins can be priceless to those who appreciate the rich history of French currency. We've included some helpful links in the description below to guide you in your numismatic journey. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a beginner, understanding the value and history of your coins is crucial. Next up, we're focusing on a piece that many of you might have in your collection, the 1979 Canada 25-cent coin. We'll explore its history, design, and current market value. So if you've got a 1979 quarter lying around, stay tuned, you might be pleasantly surprised. Let's start by taking a closer look at the 1979 Canada 25-cent coin. This coin features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Arnold Machin. The reverse displays the iconic caribou, a design that's been a staple on Canadian quarters since 1937. The caribou was designed by Emmanuel Hahn and is a symbol of Canada's wilderness and natural beauty. Now, let's talk a bit about the coin's history and mintage. In 1979, the Royal Canadian Mint produced around 172 million of these quarters. That's a pretty substantial number, but these coins are relatively not common. However, as with all coins, condition plays a critical role in determining their value. Coin collectors grade coins on a scale from poor to mint state. A 1979 Canadian quarter in average circulated condition might not fetch a high price, but a coin in exceptional condition could be much more valuable. The key is to understand the different grades: good, very fine, extra fine, about, uncirculated, and mint state. For example, a 1979 Canada 25-cent coin in good condition might have considerable wear, with major details of the caribou and Queen Elizabeth's profile worn down. In contrast, a mint state coin will look almost brand new, with no signs of wear and very sharp details. So, what's the market value of a 1979 Canada 25? For coins in good condition, you can expect to get around $25,000 to $50,000, essentially their face value. Coins in very good to fine condition might fetch slightly more, but still close to face value. It's when you get to very fine and above that things get interesting. One great way to get a more accurate value is to visit a coin show or a dealer. You can get a professional appraisal and maybe even find a buyer willing to pay top dollar for your coin. Next up, we're going to be talking about a specific coin that many of you might have in your collections, the 1984 Washington quarter dollar with the P mint mark in very good condition. We'll be discussing its history, how to identify it, and most importantly, its current market value. So, let's jump right in. The Washington quarter dollar has been a staple of American currency since it was first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. The design features a portrait of George Washington on the obverse side, created by sculptor John Flanagan. Here you can see the obverse side of the 1984 Washington quarter dollar. The P mint mark, indicating it was minted in Philadelphia, can be found just above the date. Now, let's flip it over to see the reverse side. The reverse side of the coin, which remained largely unchanged from its original design until 1999, features a heraldic eagle with outstretched wings and a bundle of arrows in its talons, symbolizing strength and readiness to defend. Above the eagle's head, you'll find the motto E pluribus unum. Now, when it comes to determining the value of a coin like this, several factors come into play. The coin's condition is paramount. The grading scale used by numismatists ranges from good to mint state. For our purposes today, we're focusing on a coin in very good condition, which shows moderate wear but all major details are still visible and clear. A coin in very good condition will exhibit significant wear on the high points of the design, but the overall integrity of the coin remains intact. For the 1984 Washington quarter dollar with the P mint mark, such a condition means the coin is well circulated but still appealing to collectors. So how much is a 1984 Washington quarter dollar with the P mint mark in very good condition worth today? As of mid-2024, The market value for this coin can range anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000, depending on the buyer and market conditions. The modest increase above face value is due to its status as a collectible item rather than its intrinsic metal value, as these quarters are composed primarily of copper and nickel, not silver. While this might seem like a significant amount, remember that the value of common date coins like this one tends to lie more in their historical and sentimental value, as well as their role in completing a collection. Additionally, as with any collectible, prices can fluctuate based on market demand and the coin's condition. For those of you who are new to coin collecting or just curious about the coins you come across in your everyday change, it's always a good idea to take a closer look. You never know when you might find a hidden gem. Next up, we're going to explore the market value of the 2001 United Kingdom 50 pence coin in extra fine condition. So grab your magnifying glasses and let's get started. The 50 pence coin, also known as the 50p, has a rich history and is a staple in British currency. The design of the 50p coin has changed several times over the years, but the one from 2001 holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. First, let's talk about the design. The 2001 UK 50p coin features the famous Britannia reverse design by Christopher Ironside. This design was used from 1969 until 2008, making it a classic and recognizable piece. On the reverse side, you can see Britannia seated beside a lion, holding a trident and shield, symbolizing Britain's naval strength and history. The obverse side features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. Now, let's talk about the condition. When we say extra fine condition or XF, we're referring to a coin that shows very little wear. For a 2001 UK 50 pence coin, this means you'll see sharp details with minimal signs of circulation. It's almost like the coin has just been minted, but with slight evidence of handling. In numismatics, the condition of a coin greatly affects its value. Extra fine condition is one step below almost uncirculated, meaning it's a high-grade coin that still maintains much of its original luster. So what's the market value of a 2001 UK 50 pence coin in extra fine condition today? Well, the value of coins can fluctuate based on demand, rarity, and condition. As of now, the market value for this particular coin ranges between $100,000 to $300,000. You might be wondering why it's worth more. The 2001 UK 50p coin is particularly rare, with minted less that year. However, finding one in extra fine condition can still have a treasure hunt, which adds to its charm and value for collectors. And there you have it. The 2001 UK 50 pence coin in extra fine condition is a beautiful piece of British numismatic history and a great addition to any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the value and history of your coins can make the hobby even more rewarding. Next up, we're delving into the realm of the 1998 with P Mint Mark Washington quarter dollar, exploring its historical significance and current market value. Released as part of the Statehood Quarters program, the 1998 P Mint Mark Washington quarter is a symbol of American heritage and innovation. Its design, featuring the iconic profile of George Washington on the obverse and a stunning depiction of a bald eagle on the reverse, captures the essence of patriotism and freedom. What makes the 1998 with P Mint Mark Washington quarter particularly intriguing to collectors is its rarity and condition. In very good condition, with minimal wear and sharp details, this coin stands out as a prized possession among numismatists. The year 1998 marked a significant milestone in American history. It was a time of prosperity and progress, with the nation celebrating its achievements while looking towards the future. The Washington quarter, minted with the P mark, serves as a testament to this era, encapsulating the spirit of the times. Now, let's delve into the burning question on every collector's mind: what is the market value of the 1998 with P Mint Mark Washington quarter in very good condition today? As of today, the market value of the 1998 with P Mint Mark Washington quarter in very good condition ranges from $100,000 to $150,000, depending on various factors such as demand, scarcity, and overall condition. However, it's essential to note that these values are subject to change over time. In conclusion, the 1998 with P Mint Mark Washington quarter dollar in very good condition represents not only a piece of American history, but also a valuable asset within the world of coin collecting. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a novice enthusiast, this coin serves as a tangible reminder of our nation's rich heritage and enduring legacy. Next up, uncover the intriguing story behind the 1913 UK 1 penny coin and its market value in today's currency. The 1913 1 penny coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors worldwide. Produced by the Royal Mint in the United Kingdom, this coin boasts a rich history and unparalleled craftsmanship. In 1913, the world was on the brink of change. It was a time of innovation, upheaval, and progress. The year marked the eve of World War I, a conflict that would reshape the course of history. What makes the 1913 one-penny coin so special is its rarity and condition. In very good condition, like the one we have here, its market value can be quite substantial. Over the years, the market value of the 1913 one-penny coin has fluctuated, driven by factors such as demand, rarity, and economic conditions. Collectors have greater access to these rare treasures. For collectors, owning a 1913 UK one-penny coin is just not about its monetary value, but also about preserving a piece of history and connecting with the past. There's something magical about holding a piece of history in your hands. Every scratch, every imperfection tells a story. And the 1913 penny coin, with its rich history and rarity, embodies the essence of numismatics. Today, the collector market value of 1913 UK one penny is $100,000. As we reflect on the legacy of the 1913 UK one penny coin, it serves as a reminder of the enduring allure of coin collecting. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a newcomer to the hobby, the journey of discovery never ceases to amaze. And so, as we conclude our exploration into the world of the 1913 one-penny coin, remember that its true value lies not just in its market price but in the stories it tells and the passions it ignites. Until next time, happy collecting.